Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the trust relationship between this workstation and the primary domain failed error. Click Other User. Login with local computer account using // Type local computer user account. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type test-computer secure channel. Type test-computer secure channel space, -credential space, domain name / username space, -repair. Type domain user password. See new and sign in with domain user account. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.